Hey guys, BGS Card Collectors here. Today we are doing a unboxing of this just pop football vinyl bobblehead thing. So yeah, it's a Tom Brady Color Rush uniform with his little hat on, and let's just get into it. I bought this because I'm gonna put it in the background of the videos from now on. Yeah, I think it'll look nice. So yeah, kind of hard to get it out of the packaging, but we eventually did. Okay, so here we go. It's got his Color Rush uniform, got a little football, his Patriots hat, which is not removable. Got the Brady, got a little pom-pom, and there sadly is some paint chipping, but that's alright. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. See you guys next time.